Hello, Scullies, and welcome to this episode of Early Bird Gets the Pokemon Cards. So, I was able to go to Target. Yay, Target sells Pokemon cards again. I was able to go to Target early this morning and I got some V Striker tins. These new tins, they came out 2 weeks ago and I actually saw them the first week, but I didn't grab them because I wanted some Chilling Rain 3-pack blisters. Um, and I ordered one from Best Buy. I actually ordered this from Best Buy, and there's reports out that are saying that the fifth pack that's in here depends on what store you get them from. So there should be two battle styles, Darkness Ablaze, uh, and I'm drawing a blank on the fourth one, but we're gonna find out right now. Mm, Maybe there'll be something different. Maybe they won't be. Let's go with the one I got from Target first. Let's go with Tyranitar. These V Striker tin have this pretty cool perforated plastic right there, so it's a lot easier to open. Here's a look at Tyranitar. Yeah. In the back it says one of two. There's 5 booster packs and a code card for the promo card. Alright. Get a closer look at Tyranitar. I like the power that he's holding in that hand. Looks like he's about to slap someone. And the packs that we have in the Tyranitar from Target is 2 battle styles. Ooh, Darkness Ablaze Charizard pack. A base Sword and Shield. Ooh, and Celestial Storm. Alright. Let's do this. Go in order here. Battle Styles, pack number 1. I'm still a fan of Battle Styles. I still need a lot of the full arts. I still need a lot of the secret rares, the alt arts. So here we go. Here's our chance. Grass Energy. We have a stuffed Pignite. He might be thinking about going for 10ths. He already had seconds and thirds and fourths and fifths, but he's still going for his 10th plate. Fan of Waves. We have a Dottler, Galarian Slowpoke, Corphish, Salandence, Roly Coly Poly Oly, Esper. We have, Cubone, my guy. How you doing, Skullet Kid? Alright. Reverse Hollow Cubone. In the back. Ooh, Tyranitar V. And just to show you guys, they do have the same moves. So now we have the Tyranitar V, the Tyranitar V promo card, and the boy everybody wants, the Tyranitar V alt art. And you can see they all have the same moves, same HP. There we go. The trio is complete. Oh no. PSA 10 went from PSA 9. Alright. We'll put you right there. Next is Darkness Ablaze. No Charizard can ever be pulled from a Charizard pack. Prove me wrong. 1, 2, 3, 4 pa'l frente. We have another Grass Energy. We have a Hiding Energy. Corvus Squire. Pupitar, there we go. Pansage, Broccoli Head. Skarmory, the Steel Bird. We have Starly, just a regular bird. We have Torchic, which is a baby chick bird. We have Marini, looking meanie. We have Manectric. Alright. Ooh, is that my... It is. I didn't realize that was my reverse holo. In the back is a Hollow Suicune. And I have my shiny Suicune there. So, I mean, I guess his mane is purple when he's not shiny and blue when he is shiny. But still, a very cool holo. I like the design, the artwork. Alrighty. Let's go with Sword and Shield base. I like this base set. Probably like Sword and Shield base more than Sun and Moon base. That's just my preference. 1, 2, 3, 4 to the front. We have a fighting energy. Give us a fighting chance. That's a Marnie card. We have Rhydon. We have Kingler. We have the Palpad. Clobbopus swimming. He's so happy. Look at his eyes. Rhyhorn. Blipbug. We have a Chewtle. We have Rosalia. Reverse Holo is a Scorbee and a Diglett. In the back we have, just a lantern. Just a lantern. Nothing special. Let's go with Celestial Storm. I don't believe I've opened any of these. The pack art is really cool. Got that blaze kick. The blaze chicken giving you the blaze kick. Right, Celestial Storm. 1, 2, 3, 4 to the front. Psychic energy with a little error spot. We have Tate and Lisa. Bill's maintenance. Come on, Bill, fix that. Cacturn. Very cool Cacturn. He looks scary. Kind of reminds me of Jack Skellington. We have a Sneasel. Shwing. Shuppet. Dang, this is a scary set. Mudkip. Alright. Looks like he's sticking out of the card there. That's a very cool art. Beldum. Wow, almost looks real. Whalmer, what you doing in that tiny pool, Whalmer? Get out of there. Ooh, Onyx. Whoa, this is a dope card. Onyx in the Scary Cave. In the back of Celestial Storm Pack, we have a Kyogre. Whoa. Oh my god, this is really cool. It's a holo, but it's kind of hard to see. I don't know if he's like crashing down, making his own pool. He's like breaking up the rocks. Nice. I'm happy about these two pools. Alright, Celestial Storm did not disappoint. Battle Styles, the second pack in here. Right. 1, 2, 3, 4 is our second chance for a gold card or a rainbow or a full art, maybe an alternate art. We have Dark Energy, we have a Spupa, a Gliscor, Swordward and Shieldbert, we have a Corfission, we have a Scatterbuggin, we have a Cubone, we have a Murkrow, Tepig, Weeping Bell, reverse holo in the back. Come on, give me something. Claydol, non-holo Claydol. Okay, so there's our pulls from the first 10. Not bad. Not the best, but not bad. Next up, we have the Empoleon Striker V10 from Best Buy. Let's see if it has the Celestial Storm pack or maybe something different. To be honest, I am hoping for another Celestial Storm pack because that was pretty cool. That art was really, really fun to look at. Empoleon V card. There's that. And in this tin, we have 2 battle styles, 1 Darkness Ablaze, 1 Sword and Shield base. In the back, Guardians Rising. Alright, so there we go. Best Buy Striker V10 had Guardians Rising, and the Target had Celestial Storm. Alright, Battle Styles. 2 more chances for some cards that I don't have. Maybe I can add something to my collection. Lightning Energy, Pignite, Corkle, Fan of Waves, Salandint, Did It, Belly Sprout, Mindfu Stretching, Yamper Yamping, Glameow Meowing, Single Strike Hollow Energy. Oh, I'm blinding my eyes. In the back, Galarian Slowbro Non-Hollow. Let's go with Darkness Ablaze. No Charizard can ever be pulled from a Charizard pack. Prove me wrong. 1, 2, 3, 4 to the front. Water Energy. Clang, clang, clang. Gotharita. Piers. Nick it. He totally nicked all that. Fruit. Shelmoot. Larvatars. Grimer. So grimy. Clarion Darumaka. Ooh, Reverse Hollow Bunnelby. I love this Alice in Wonderland art. In the back, we have a Volcarona, the Fire Moth Pokemon. It says Sun Pokemon, but we all know Solrock is the Sun Pokemon. Let's go with the base Sword and Shield Lapras VMAX art here. One, two, three, 4 to the front. We have a Fighting Energy. Heatmore. Pokekid, very good card to use. Air Balloon, another very good card to use, but it's about to be rotated out. That's D. We're going into E, I believe in September. Wooloo, looking so cutie. We have a Baltoy. There's a Gnaw. Blipbug. What did I just saw? Gnaw. Oh, I read the move. It's a Blipbug. It's a Sobble. Shelter looking mad. Reverse Hollow. In the back we have a... Shh. It's sleeping. Sleeping Chinchino. Should have put these over here. Okay, Guardians Rising. I don't believe I've opened any Guardians Rising either. 1, 2, 3, 4 to the front. Fighting Energy. Brooklet Hill. Beware. Slashing at a tree. Come on, leave that tree alone. We have a Lola Mola. That's a pretty cool Lola Mola. Under the sea. The Belly Sprout looking up at the sky. We have a Cottony. Why are you hiding from the rain? You're a plant. You love the rain. A Alolan Sandshrew. Oh, he's sad. He lost his mommy. A Stuffle. Very mischievous looking Stuffle. Tentacool. Like the underwater cards. Ooh, Reverse Hollow Litwick. I like it. In the back, we have a Lilligant. Lilligant non-hollow. Very pretty card. Look at those flowers in the back. Very nice. Alright. Unless this one can save the tin. I'm liking the T-Tar tin even more than the Empoleon. So let's see. Hope you guys get something good in the TCGO. Last chance to add something to another fighting energy. Last chance to add something to my Battle Styles collection. Bisharp, Weeping Bell, Phoebe, Onyx, Spearow, Solizzlepedes, Shinxie, Cacnea, Reverse Hollow Experience Share. In the back, we have a Marowak non-hollow. Empoleon tin was not nice to us. Well, that's how it goes. You win some, you lose some. Thank you all so much for watching this episode. And remember, no one likes to be disrespected. Nah, disrespect.